Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding below a significant low at around the $0.28452 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis and to give you my breakdown targets here on the Agix chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Agix, after seeing our low down there, we started seeing higher prices in this 1-2 setup to the upside, and after seeing the 1-2 setup, we started seeing higher prices obeying this Elliot structure, where you can see that we peaked in the formation of that first wave to the upside in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.67 mark after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upside. And after seeing the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.35524 mark and the $0.17498 mark. And this is the minimum target area within which I'm expecting Agix to put in place the low for this second wave, which is the area highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And because of the corrective nature in the formation of that wave 2, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where you can see that I have these as the wave A, then a wave B giving us a peak at around the $0.59 mark, and I'm now expecting one more leg down in the formation of that wave C to fully maximize this blue target area and also put in place the low for this second wave. And at the time of this recording, you can see that my prediction in my previous videos has now come to pass, since we have now managed to put in place a low that is below the low for this wave A at around the $0.28452 mark in a breakdown move that has now given us a low at around the $0.25211 mark. And there are still high chances that Agix has not yet put in place the low for this second wave, since we don't have any confirmations, and that means that there are still high chances of seeing further breakdown until we fully maximize this blue target area in the formation of this wave 2. And once the bottom is in and we have confirmation that the low is in, then from there we can start expecting higher prices in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3. But for now, we need to be a little bit focused on the downside and also expect lower prices to fully maximize our minimum target area, which lies between the $0.35 mark and the $0.17 mark. And once we fully maximize the target area and also have confirmation of that low in the second wave is in, then we can start expecting higher prices. So those are my breakdown targets here on the Agix chart, and that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 30 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.